This wedding is a pretty special one for me. It's not every day you get to watch two of your best friends marry each other. Jamie and I met like any two students at Emerson do, on a student film set where the budget is like $5 and a rotten banana. When I look back on the last decade, what I see are our memories. Our friendship is without a doubt the thing I got right, and I wouldn't trade any of it for the world.
Josh and I both met Jamie early in college, and while we all became friends, it was clear that Josh and Jamie had a connection that was particularly special. I witnessed him becoming more and more aware of this as the years went on. And when my wife Keiko and I drove with him across country 8 years ago, Josh was determined to find out if Jamie felt the same way.
Like many of the best love stories, Jamie and Josh's relationship started with friendship. Then I remember one night, Jamie casually said something like, "I'm starting to think my life would just be better and easier if Josh were my boyfriend." And I remember looking at Rachel, and we shared this knowing look because we both knew, well, yeah, that's how it starts.
In my life so far, I've learned that couples don't need to be all that similar to each other to last. But I do believe that they need to have the ability to consistently be on the same page as one another. Shortly after Josh moved to LA, they both took a chance and officially learned that they were already on the same page. From that point on, Josh and Jamie became so in tune with each other that today has felt like destiny for some time.
May the two of you keep choosing each other every day till there's no one left who has ever known you apart. By the power vested in me by the state of California, I now pronounce you married. You may kiss each other.
Josh, you've always made me very proud, but never as much as you have done today. As you have taken Jamie as your wife, your soulmate, and your best friend. You have wonderful friends, and now you have a wonderful new family. And I am so, so grateful and happy.
Relationships are hard because all of us are fragile. But in each other, you found a safe place where you can share all of your vulnerabilities, where you can come out of hiding because they're right there beside you, and they'll stay there as long as you'll have them. You found someone to need you too much and know you too well. You found that crazy is perfect, and that when it's just the two of you, the rest of the world falls away.
Jamie and Josh, you have both been on many happy journeys already. The where that truly matters is the now, the dancing couple of heart and moment. So Jamie and Josh, continue to follow your hearts, hold each other's hand, hold the moment, and fill the pages of your heart with the daily experiences of a lifetime.
Out of the hundreds of movies we have seen together, none of them compare to having the front row seat to your love story. Your love puts good into the world, and the world needs more good. I think I can speak for all of us here when I say you've touched our lives, and we're all better for it. Thank you for being our family. So if you will all join me in raising a glass to the groom, to the bride.